Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sande Mwaka. Today I'm going to take you through how to use mail merge. Now mail merge is it's a feature of Microsoft Word that allows you to send the same letter to multiple receivers. It's common in schools when you want to invite people for a certain event, but you want to send it to named persons. Now what you can do here, let's get started. You come and open Microsoft Office Word. Now here what you can do, you come and click on mailings, then start mail merge, then click on letters. Now here you can type your letters. So you begin typing the sender's address. Now here I put X secondary school, X secondary school. Now you write the school address, P.O. Box 12142. Then write the district, Gulu district, Gulu city. Gulu city. Then you can write the date. Then it's done. Now the sender's address is done. You should now go for receiver's address. Now here, instead of writing the district of the individual people, you are going to just put them like this. You write city, enter. You write address, comma, and then here you begin. Dear then you write your name, so you put a reference. Now let us put disciplinary meeting. Then after doing it like this, you write the body of the letter. We hereby invite you to come disciplinary meeting. A disciplinary meeting at our school. At the school. At the school. School. Due to this indiscipline, indiscipline cases. Upon, here you can make another student name, student's name, due on the 23rd October 2024. Thanks faithfully. So we are done. So we are going to make our recipient list. Now we have the city, we have address, we have name, we have student's name. So we can go. So under mailings, there's this one. Means select what recipients. Now you type on what? You click on type a new list. Now here we should customize. Right here we can rename this one name, address, city, okay, we have it here. Now we can rename this one student name, now they're here, there are 4. So we click on OK. Now name, we can put Wakasande. Address, we can put PO box. Now city, we can make this one blue. Student's name, we can make it Henry. Now you come and click on new entry. This one we can make it for Chakachon Morris. Address P box. district, we can make a Lera. I mean city. Now the student's name, we can make it Elisha. So we are done with this one. You can make it as short as possible. Now we are here to save. You should save such that it is there on your PC. So we have it here. So after getting done with the recipients list, so you come and click on what? You come and select these things. Select this one, then you come and click on what? Insert mail here. You come and select one. Come and select city. You also come and click on this one. So you come and click on address. Then you come and click on this one. Click on name. Then we are left with only this one. Then you come and click on student's name. So after getting done with this, you just come and click on finish what? Finish and merge. Then edit individual documents. Then it's here, merge records, or you come and click on OK. So then it's done. See, there are now 2. So in our recipient list, there are only 2. So you see this, it's the same. I mean, there are 2. This one is for the first person in the recipients list, and everything is here. The district, the city, the address, the name, and the student's name. It's there. This one is for the second person. So members, this is simply how to do it. So don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, and share it with your friends. So have a nice time.